Hello, I'm Tanya McDonald. Well, prior to chiropractic care, I was in a lot of pain. I couldn't get out of bed in the morning. I had a very difficult time getting up and getting going, and had a lot of issues with. I'd been on medication for my thyroid for 15 years. So I was tired all the time, had a lot of hormonal issues. I actually have a brain tumor that sits on my pituitary that causes the release of a lot of hormones that shouldn't be released. And have had issues with severe depression, etc., etc. And after coming to chiropractic care to see Dr. Crowder, it's just an overall change. The most amazing thing that's happened in the last, I would say, 2 months is that I saw Dr. Crowder for like a year and a half, and I stopped coming to see him because I started to feel so well. And I think I forgot how bad I felt before because I got in enough pain that my left hip joint, literally, they wanted to do surgery. They wanted to send me to an orthopedic surgeon and do surgery. I was in a lot of pain, and they were talking about like hip replacement and that sort of thing. I literally came to see Dr. Crowder again after being gone for maybe 6 months or so, and one upper cervical adjustment, and the pain was completely gone. I mean, completely gone. Um, the surgeon even called and said, "We want to schedule to get you in, so I can get a look at your hip," that sort of thing. And I said, "That won't be necessary." They asked why. I said, "Because I went back to my chiropractor and I'm not in pain anymore." And it's like anything else with treating any kind of, illness or whatever. You take your insulin if you're diabetic, you do this and this, and for me, chiropractic care is a way of life. It keeps me healthy, it keeps me happier, it keeps my head on straight, so to speak. And I just feel better. Overall, my health is better. I'm not in pain. I stopped taking the thyroid medication after coming to chiropractic care for probably a year because they said that my thyroid was completely normal. And that was after seeing Dr. Crowder for about a year. So I no longer take thyroid medication. And just overall, a feeling of good health and feeling better. And any issues that I have, I can address with him. And it amazes me still to this day how him adjusting me in an upper cervical adjustment can make my hip just like not hurt like that. It astonishes me. And who wants to have surgery? Nobody. Who wants to take a lot of medications? Nobody. So the fact that I can come here and get an overall, just well-being care from him is worth the 45-minute drive that I drive. It's worth everything that I do to get here. It's like come here once a week, get my adjustments, and I feel good. And I'm just so grateful.